Welcome to our Kids Travel Guide. This video details the experience of our 2 days trip to Pennsylvania. Pictures from the trip are included for better clarity of what to expect during your visit. Day 1, Hershey's Chocolate World, Hershey, Pennsylvania. Day 2, Amish Country, Lancaster County, Pennsylvania. Hershey's Chocolate World. Hershey's Chocolate World has attractions that are chocolatey and fun. Things to do in Hershey's Chocolate World include Hershey's Chocolate Tour, create your own candy bar, 4D chocolate movie, Hershey's Unwrapped Chocolate Tasting Journey, Hershey's Trolley Works, Hershey's Photo Studio, dining, and shopping. Hershey's Chocolate Tour. Hershey's Chocolate Tour is an exciting, fun and free activity in Hershey's Chocolate World. A long ramp leads from the Chocolate World to the boarding area. Visitors should be seated the entire time in groups of 4 on a continuous chain of amusement cars. Once seated, the ride first goes through the doors of a barn and singing puppet cows. From the barnyard it then moves to the simulated chocolate factory. The ride goes past chocolate making machines, conveyor belts, braking chamber. And you can witness the making of a variety of chocolates: Kit Kats, Kisses, Reese's, Take 5, Almond Joy, Hershey's chocolate syrup and more. Audio narration is given through the whole tour. The tour is free, you can get back in line as many times you like, and includes a complimentary sample. Pictures are also taken at the end of the ride. Look towards the camera and smile when prompted during the narration. If you purchase the photo, you can download it online from the Hershey's website. Link is also given in the description box. Create your own candy bar. You can choose your ingredients, design your own wrapper and taste the Hershey's chocolate. It is an opportunity to enjoy the Hershey's factory experience. Expected duration is 30 to 45 minutes. It is preferable to reserve tickets early due to limited space. For tickets and more details, refer to the link in description box. The 4D chocolate movie is fun with animation and special effects. Showtime is 30 minutes. Refer the link in description box for tickets and other details. Hershey's Unwrapped Chocolate Tasting Journey is an interactive chocolate tasting show for all ages. During the show, you will have the opportunity to taste some of the Hershey's most iconic chocolates. Duration of the show is 30 minutes. For tickets and more details, refer to the link in description box. Hershey Trolley Works. You can board Hershey Trolley for a historic journey through Hershey's town. It features the main sights of the town of Hershey, Pennsylvania, like the original Hershey Chocolate Factory, Mr. Hershey's birthplace, Hershey Park and more. Delicious chocolates are also served during the ride. Chocolate tasting, sightseeing and historical entertainment makes the ride fun and informative. Trolley tours board 10 minutes in advance at the depot outside the main entrance of Hershey's Chocolate World attraction. Seats are limited, it is preferable to purchase tickets early. For Hershey's Trolley Works tickets and more details, refer to the link in description box. Hershey's Chocolate World has a big shopping space with variety of items to shop, from candies and chocolates to apparels, souvenirs, toys, gifts and more. There is a food court with various dining options. For menus and other details, refer to the links in description box. There are various packages available for grouping more than one activity in Hershey's Chocolate World. You can choose them for reduced prices. Hershey's Chocolate World is located in 101 Chocolate World Way, Hershey, Pennsylvania 17033. For more information, visit the website www.hersheys.com. Website links are also given in description box. Lancaster County, Pennsylvania is home to the second largest Amish settlement in the world. There are a number of ways to visit the beautiful countryside of Lancaster County and experience the taste of Amish country life. We took the Amish buggy ride at Aaron and Jessica's Buggy Rides. Aaron and Jessica's has several different buggy rides to choose from, like the Cookie Run, the Amish Farm Tour and the Sunday Ride. Private tours are also available. Since we had been on a Sunday, the Sunday Ride was the only option available. This 40-minute tour is the only ride available on Sundays. The Sunday Ride is a lovely tour through an all-Amish area. Farm, Long rides and cookie run tours are not available on Sundays as Amish folk attend church and visit neighbors or relatives. The ride took us through an all-Amish area. We got to see dairy cows, the barn, farm animals, the Amish home, few Amish people, and also stopped at a shop. We got to buy delicious homemade cookies, pretzels and lemonade. As you will see and drive through an Amish farm, drivers will explain about the history of the Amish, their lifestyle and customs. They share their knowledge of Amish country and happily answer any questions. It's a fun way to learn about the Amish. Kids will also love this. You can pet the horses and take pictures at the end of the ride. Aaron and Jessica's Buggy Rides is located in 3121 Old Philadelphia Pike, Ronks, Pennsylvania 17572. For more information on Amish country, tours, tickets and other information, visit the website www.amishbuggyrides.com. Website links are also given in the description box. Google Maps view of Hershey's Chocolate World and Aaron and Jessica's Buggy Rides. Thank you for watching the video. Hope it was helpful to you. Please like, share and subscribe the channel or our Kids Travel Guide for more interesting videos.